Hey there, QV Beauty Team. You're on Amazon, but are you the brand they click or the one they skip? My name is Pleasure from my Amazon Guy. It's my goal to point out potential opportunities that you may want to consider. First, I'd like to say well done getting high star ratings for your freeze free air dry mist. I know that this is hard to achieve, and seeing this is a job well done. Now, the first thing I'd like to discuss is traffic, and what drives traffic to your listing are keywords. I see you're organically indexing for only 51. This gets you free exposure, but there's tons of additional keywords you can index for. Check out this word cloud here. These are the most important keywords for your listing. I also see you're not advertising, and this could mean you're likely leaving money on the table. Running your ads is the best way to grow sales if you know what keywords to target, and this can be done profitably. What we usually like to see is one paid for every two organics, and that's what we call the golden keyword ratio. Now, looking at how your keywords are performing, we have your keyword phrases with the highest traffic for your category. If you've noticed, we've sorted these out by search volume, but I see you're not seen to a lot of these keywords or you're not indexing. To some, you are, but on triple digit rankings, which means you're buried deep in the Amazon search results. So I can really see that there's missed potential all over here. If you take a look at Air Dry Mist, there is over $4.6 million monthly revenue share. The top sellers are taking advantage, showing us how big your category is. Getting $6,000 to $8,000 on average, I see there's more market share available for you. For this ASIN, you were able to sell 25 units past 30 days, generating over $400. But that's not getting your fair share of the revenue. We can help you grow your market share by utilizing your click through rate and conversion as part of SEO strategy. We've looked at some competitors here from Canara. We are not comparing your products. I know that there's a difference when it comes to price point and the item itself, but what we'd love to look at is how they're strategizing so we can benefit from it in any way. Now, if you take a look at their keyword strategy, you can see that Kenra is banking for more with 2,800 organic keywords and 600 paid. That's tons of additional keywords you can also bid on and index for. They're also being seen on top ranks or in on the first page to a lot more keywords than you, and that's helping them with visibility and sales. To help you close the gap, we can run a keyword gap analysis where we duplicate relevant keywords to your listing and pick the high performing keywords from your competitors. Finding these relevant keywords will help your product index for more. We can also help you with advertising and making sure that we're targeting relevant keywords while doing it profitably. Now to your front end listing, the overall look of your listing is what drives conversion. Your title and bullet points are the best areas for keyword indexing, and good job that you are maximizing your character count for the bullets. And you also have good title, just make sure to update them regularly as SEO is not set and forget. With your images, you have your main image in plain white background, some really good infographics and lifestyle photos and demographics, but we can improve your main image by adding CTR hacks to make it more enticing. We can help you do that for free if you book your consultation with us. Good job on adding videos to add credibility to your listing while helping your listing stand out. I also like your A plus content and well done adding crawlable text, though I would suggest maximizing this to 7 modules, adding more crawlable text, and you can also have your brand story here. I would like to show you a good example of a well optimized listing. This is Age of Sage, one of our works at my Amazon guide. They've got good images and copies. And scrolling down, we can see their brand story. That's where you can talk about your brand and showcase other products to increase average order value while also pushing down competitors showing up on your listing. And then A plus content where you can add lots of great enticing images and videos, also 500 to 1,000 words of copy to load with highly relevant keywords. You can maximize up to 7 modules and include a product grid for product comparison. Then you can add alt text behind these images for common misspellings and Spanish keywords, which you can also maximize to up to 100 characters each. We highly recommend that you take advantage of all these features to help you not just with conversion, but also with keyword indexing and advertising. Those are just a few tips, and if you want to learn more, take advantage of our free consultation. Just click the book a call at the end of the video or the link in my email to choose your schedule. Speak with our Amazon expert, learn more of our services, and get your personalized quote aligned with your goals and budget. My Amazon Guy is a full service digital marketing agency managing over 400 brands and $7 million in monthly PPC spend, driving over 1.2 billion in revenue for our clients. Our team is hands on across all pillars of Amazon: PPC, SEO, catalog troubleshooting, creative, and brand protection. So, whether you're losing rank, overspending on ads, or need help scaling, we bring data backed strategies that deliver real results. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to show you more opportunities. Have a good one.